Trim City has a quick question. Does the collection statute time frame start over when you have been removed from CNC and then you're placed back into it? I'm going to answer that question directly towards the end of this video, but I'm imagining some people are maybe watching this right now and wondering, what is he talking about? So let's break this question apart. And to give some context, when Trim City is talking about the collection statute time frame, they're referring to the 10-year time limit that the IRS has to collect a tax debt once it's been assessed. Now, in other videos, such as this video about currently non-collectible status, link to that video at the top of the screen, I have mentioned that when you're in CNC status, that's a status in which the IRS cannot go after you. They can't garnish your wages, they can't levy your bank account, and you don't have to pay anything to the IRS either when you're in that status. When you're in the special status, the IRS's clock, that 10-year clock, it keeps ticking, right? So if you can stay in that CNC status until that 10-year clock runs out, well, that tax debt drops off and you're good. Now, CNC, that's a good situation to be in. However, not everybody stays in CNC status until the debt drops off. Okay. For example, if you have a significant increase in income, if you come into some kind of a windfall, right? The IRS may systemically kick you out of CNC status. You can get back in, right? You can get back in. Let's say your income increases significantly since you were placed in CNC status and the IRS systemically kicks you out based on your tax return. You can get back in by saying, yeah, my income increased by $10,000 a year. Oh, but when I got in, we only had, it was just me and my spouse, but now we have, 2 children or something like this. The IRS is going to let you have more, count more of your income as necessary to pay your necessary living expenses in that scenario because now your household size has increased, okay? And this is the situation that's somewhat akin to what Trim City is asking about here, okay? Let's say you're a taxpayer, you were in CNC, you got kicked out of CNC, but now you petitioned the IRS to get back in CNC. Does that 10-year collection window the IRS has, does it start over in this case? And the answer is Trim City, no. No, it does not start over. That 10-year time limit the IRS has to collect, it never starts over, so to speak. It can be reduced to a judgment in very rare cases. Okay, I've only seen that once. Once have I seen the IRS reduce the assessment to a judgment, which they have to go through the court system for that. But the 10-year time limit, at least as far as the IRS is concerned administratively, it never starts over. Okay, it can be paused for a certain period of time. Those are called tolling events. Okay, but getting kicked out of CNC status and being put back in is not one of those tolling events. Okay. So, in fact, the situation you described, Trim City, being in CNC, getting removed from CNC, and being placed into CNC has no bearing, or it has no effect on the IRS's 10-year collection statute of limitations. So, hope that answers the question. If you want more information about IRS CNC status, as well as about the IRS's 10-year collection statute, I have good news for you. I have some videos for you on the left-hand side of the screen that I would encourage you to watch to learn more about these topics. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'm Logan Alec. I own Choice Tax Relief, and I'll see you in the next video.